Hey guys, I just want to check in with you really quick to start this week off. Um, so for Imagine Reading, we're on our last week of this unit, and when you get on here, guys, the two that you should be on is Chocolate to Die For and the Chocolate Club. Sorry. So spend some time reading through those. I would recommend you guys kind of go through this a little bit earlier in the week if you can. We can talk about these severally, so we'll talk about Chocolate to Die For on Tuesday and the Chocolate Cub on Thursday. Um, in addition to that, guys, you do have your project, which is due. Um, I would look through that again. The assignment for that, again, is just in here. All right. Look through that. Um, yeah, it's there. And if you have questions or concerns about how to go about doing that, don't wait till, Sunday at 5 o'clock to ask me how to do it. Let's do it on Tuesday or Thursday. I'll try to walk you through. It's a pretty open-ended project. Again, you can kind of do whatever you want with it, just as making sure you're answering the question of how this unit has, you can make use of it or see into it. So read through this stuff again, come with questions, and I will see you all on Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have, other times that you want to meet with me or talk through something, I can set something up, but my channel's open. All right. Thanks so much, guys.